Plumbers handle far more than emergencies, and routine maintenance is one of the smartest ways to use them. Think of maintenance as a tune-up that keeps pressure stable, water hot, and surprises rare. A yearly visit can include a water heater flush to remove sediment that insulates the burner or elements and steals efficiency. Ask them to test the temperature and pressure relief valve by gently lifting its lever and confirming a clean discharge into the drain line, then reseating it. Have them check inlet pressure with a gauge at an outdoor spigot. Aim for 50 to 60 pounds per square inch, and if it is higher, adjust or replace the pressure-reducing valve. Request a whole home visual inspection that looks for slow weeps at shutoffs, corrosion on supply lines, loose toilet bolts, and signs of hidden leaks like stained drywall or warped baseboards. Finish with a drain health check using a small camera or at least trap cleanouts, and review habits like using hair catchers, running cold water with the disposer, and keeping grease out of sinks. People often skip maintenance because everything seems fine, but silent issues build cost. Schedule one annual check and pair it with a calendar reminder so it actually happens. Many drain clogs are treated with harsh chemicals that damage pipes. Switch to mechanical methods like a cup plunger on sinks and a closet auger on toilets. Then keep traps clear with strainers and periodic enzyme cleaners. Water heater temperature is commonly set too high, wasting fuel and risking scalds. Set it to 120 degrees Fahrenheit and label the dial so no one overrides it casually. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easy to find local plumbing pros for that yearly flush, temperature and pressure valve check, and full system walkthrough. Homeowners can browse contractors, message them, and use our discussion community to ask questions and compare maintenance tips, while contractors can showcase work, build a profile, and connect with people who need ongoing service as well as repairs.